channel's not that bad. It's
All views expressed by the hosts and guests in this podcast are solely their opinions and do not reflect the opinions of their respective employers. Guests and hosts may maintain positions in the assets discussed in this podcast. This podcast is for informational purposes only, and nothing in the podcast is intended to be financial, legal, or even life advice. We should be live.
All right.
Hello. Hello, everybody.
Man, I'm so hurt by this dump, but I didn't get liquidated. That's good.
Dude, I sold a lot of the my short-term trade at the first dump. Yeah,
Good for
but
you.
Aster is doing very well. Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Dude, it's crazy though. Like I've had friends who bought from 0.1. I'm like, how the
I don't want to comment about this, but yeah.
Bro,
It's okay,
you just see one
It's only
trade in
10x.
your life. One trade.
It's only 10x. It's only 10x, so I'm okay with it. Because the thing is, I know I won't size into it as well. You know, I was bullish
Why
on
not?
it, right? I was bullish on it 6 months ago. I was just angry the fact that I didn't get a good airdrop. That's why I didn't. Yeah. I was
Why
like,
don't you
could it go
size
too
into
far?
it?
No, I was I actually Aster was basically the only yield farm, only perk dex that I farmed properly. But I didn't trade there, but I farmed it.
So
if that makes sense.
I'm assuming it's because they're looking at OI then. Yeah, because perp dexes are getting harder to farm because they're more sophisticated. Yeah.
I don't know lah. I'm angry lah. My money is gone. How am I going to feed my villager?
Ayo.
They will starve tonight.
This podcast is brought to you by Zero-G.
AI and Web3 technologies has been a frequent topic in the industry. Zero-G is a layer 1 blockchain platform that aims to address challenges in decentralized AI infrastructure. To its website, Zero-G offers verifiable AI serving and scalable data availability intent for real-world AI workloads. The platform uses modular architecture designed to overcome specific bottlenecks in decentralized AI. Projects can adopt either the full AI stack or selective layers, with emphasis on scalability, cost efficiency, and trustless verification.
And they're not doing this alone either, backed by nearly 300 investors, including Samsung Next, Alumni Ventures, Bankless Ventures, and more, plus partnerships with heavyweights such as Chainlink, Solana, Optimism, Google, and even Alibaba. And to really fuel the ecosystem, the Zero-G Foundation has launched an 88 million growth program and accelerator with Web3 Labs, supporting over 1,000 dApps already in the pipeline. Oh, and the network, over 8,000 validators and 5,000 storage nodes strong. So yeah, if you're into the future of crypto and AI, keep an eye on Zero-G. Maybe you'll feed them with Zero-G. I mean, they just TGE, right? Yeah, which is super interesting.
I bought at $3, by the way, Zero-G, but I sold at I sold at 4 point something. Only very little, just for fun. Fucking
maybe
hell.
We'll see if Michael can convince you to hold. But yeah, why is the market dumping? I guess a lot of people is just saying it's FOMC cooling down, all of that. But I think it's just people looking for excuses.
Do you want to see pain? Let me show you pain.
Look
at this.
Oh no.
Look at this. I bought here. I sold here.
Bro, why? Why are you so quick to sell?
I was just testing shit in it. I was just trying to do some day trade via it's pure TA just to it's a very small bet. It's just to get it going. I didn't have that much conviction. We should have had this podcast a lot earlier, to be honest. Man, actually I don't know. Why is everything that I don't buy pump and everything that I buy dumps? Fuck me. My AVAX is doing okay though, to be honest.
AVAX bag. Okay.
Yeah, my AVAX is doing good though.
Yeah.
My fucking Doge is getting fucking dumped like crazy though.
Yeah, I feel like the past 2-3 weeks it's hard to long like all these coins with short-term catalysts, right? Because like I know that you've been tweeting about Eigen, you've been tweeting about Pith because of like the Oracle announcement. I just feel like you need to find crime. It's very hard to like
Uh,
long based on fundamentals. It's very hard. Like nothing is going
what
up
is
if it's
fundamental?
just
That's the thing. That's the thing.
no. I
What
mean
is
just like
fundamental? Crime is
it,
fundamental.
no, it's it's like the news catalyst that you've been trading, right? Like that's why like I'm not the like I'm more of a like I long like Avantis and so on, but like even if I don't know as many like catalysts, I was just like, oh, low cap perp, right? Like maybe our style is just different, but yeah, like it's hard for me to like long perps at like which is like a bit like okay, like they're not the main character, but they might pump. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know. I get what you mean. Like to be for me, it's the same. It's just that I like to be in the market, but like I don't size in. That's the thing. Like
Uh and I also think that you like to use like sexes more. Yeah, I like to trade on swaps on my phone. Just like have
I
some money
actually,
on chain on Dex. Yeah. Yeah.
the thing is like, cause I've been like, I've been going out a lot, like in real
Mm,
world. So like I like to do things on my phone, but I don't have any crypto wallet on my phone just because of like safety and blah blah blah. So it's
right.
just a thing that I just got used to not doing. So like I always have like a mobile sexting that I just go out and use, and then
It
yeah.
should be okay
And
if it's not
also
like yeah.
I stopped using sex for quite a while until USDE as collateral to trade perps, basically, to be very
Yeah.
honest with you. That was
Oh,
a turning point for
and on
me.
Binance though, that's crazy. Yeah, like maybe while we're waiting for them, yeah, like they're like integrating on Binance, and then did you see the Plasma Neobank?
Did you apparently Plasma is the same people that made what's his face? Blast.
Wait, what? A Plasma is the same people that made Blast?
Yeah, so like this Chinese KOL is known for where the fuck is it? This Chinese KOL is known for telling the truth about like crypto things, but you have no Chinese left in
Uh,
you. So
hey, I have grok in me.
so like
Brother.
this is quite a good KOL in Chinese for the people who are around. So like basically I'll share this link in the chat so everyone can see. So basically this guy, you can use this translate.
Mhm.
So basically this guy is saying that the Plasma team are the same crew from Blast.
Huh. Okay, let me zoom in. Wait, can you zoom in? It's yeah. Okay.
So Plasma almost had no relation with Tether, the founder, blah 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 blah. Only personally invested in 50K. The guy behind it is Venture Framework Ventures, etc. etc. Basically, I don't want to read the whole thing, but basically, it's the same
Yeah.
crew as Blast without Pac-Man. Apparently,
What's
and this guy
interesting
is
to
normally
me
right.
is I see. I see. Huh. Yeah, what's
Now
interesting
you're
to me is
scared.
that no, bro. No, bro. I'm very very happy. No, like I think there's some truth to all these stuffs. It's just that the current CEO and some of the backers, like the Anger Mayor guys, I don't think they're the type to not have the full ownership and be used as the face. So what I'm assuming is that it was originally the Blast team, but then they found a new sugar daddy. That's how I would craft it.
Oh yeah,
Um,
I would
yeah,
imagine
yeah,
so. I
yeah,
mean like this actually makes it bullish, right? Because they have a better narrative this time. They already launched a token this time. The token is doing good. It's just that how long term do you want to be holding this, or how careful you want to be and sensitive you want to treat their updates and
yeah,
news, right?
yeah.
Like this is like the mid left right curve of it, right? Like if you're quick enough, you bet on Justin Sun stuff. But like if I know I might not be quick enough, I'll just avoid it, bro.
Yeah, like he liked Sun Perp a couple of days before it was announced, and then you can see it in the chart that the Sun token was going up because Justin Sun liked or like followed some of the tweets. But anyway, dude, like everybody's building their own perp, man. Like, how are you farming it? or like, are you even farming it? I mean, I feel like there's like Pacifica, there's like HX,
I'm
yeah.
I stopped trading on lighter. No particular reason. It was just I somehow moved the money out and I can't be bothered to move it in. I'm trading on Edge X a little bit. And then and that's it really. To be honest, I'm not farming other things. I'm a little bit tired of it, to be honest. So like I just whenever I trade, maybe if I'm on the desk, I'll just trade on those accounts for a little bit for like the slightly longer term things. It's for me, it's one of those things where if I get it kind of thing. Like oh, good for me, because it's not that bullish in my opinion. Like, but like Aster is the one that I was bullish on, but somehow I got very little airdrop and I didn't ape the fucking token. Ah, so sour.
Man, like I remember I saw about it a couple of months back too. Like you were like telling me about it. Yeah, and then like but I also didn't farm. There was a friend who okay, it's a friend of a friend. I don't know if he or she bought, but like they sent a screenshot of like the guy was farming all of the tasks. So I think he's like a small
Manually.
scale like in industrial farmers, and I'm
Yeah,
assuming
yeah.
he probably gets like, yeah, dude, he's up 2 mil when it was like $1.3. I'm like, what the
Wow.
fuck?
I don't think that might not be true, by the way. Or is that real? Because like the thing is like I use 4K per account to leverage grid tray on Aster, and I only got for like 2 months, and I only got $500 or $600 airdrop. So like that motherfucker have to be doing that for like what? For like
Wait,
4K per
but like,
account.
did you do any tasks? Because again, like I wasn't paying attention, but he told me he didn't really farm by volume, but there was like tasks or like quests that you can do.
Oh, well, I didn't go do that
Uh,
much. Makes sense.
okay,
I didn't
okay,
look into
yeah, I
that
gotta
part.
check.
I just assume all tasks are bullshit, so I didn't do it. I
Yeah,
just
maybe
used it as a grid trading bot, basically.
I see,
Maybe he was the
or
one that diluted me.
or maybe he just like buy 50K and do a 20x, but I mean do like a 40x, but no, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's hard
No
lah.
way, I
To be
guess.
very honest, would
Yeah.
you? Let's be real. Would you have put 50K in this?
If I have the insider knowledge of
I mean, like, it's not crime if you're in it, right? But because I was like, oh, okay. I was looking at Aster, and I was like, because I've been following APX as well, right? Then I'm like, oh, to be honest, I'm not even gonna put more than like 20K in it, and then at max it's gonna be 1x a little bit, and then I was like, oh, okay lah, it's okay, but fucking hell, man, I was so wrong, so wrong.
Yeah, I think it becomes easier when if your PA gets bigger and the way that you manage, like, oh, like I have this stack of money that I just want to put into like blue chip fundamentals, quote unquote, it becomes easier to just like have a position and then just like activists, right? But like
No, the
for
thing
like
is like
KOLs, like
before
smaller.
CZ came so hard, it wasn't
Yeah,
apparent that this is a long term
exactly.
thing. And if you were investing in that mindset, you wouldn't have gone in, because you'd be like, I probably need to zap out within 3 days, and then you'd be like, ah,
Right,
yeah, it's
right,
okay, I can't be bothered. So
right,
I think
right.
this is like an awkward size, right? Like everyone is shouting how good it is, but it's actually just been a 10x. Like if you were in meme coins, that would happen in 2 days, right? So it's a bit like it's too big for me to go heavy size. Sorry, it's too big for me to go small size and make a little bit, but it's too big that I can't. It's too small that I don't want to size in like other majors, if that makes sense. So
Yeah,
that's why I
bro.
stopped.
Yeah,
No, I'm being
yeah.
serious.
I know, I know,
And
I
I
know, I
think
know.
that's an awkward size.
Yeah, like next time, I'm not gonna mention who, but like our like mutual friend were like shilling you about like Avantis, and then you didn't answer, which is just like ape first. Do not ask questions, just ape.
Fuck. No, because the thing is, I was looking at Avantis already. No, it's very
Yeah,
hard because like I
yeah,
have like low key saw their deck in 2023. It was supposed to be a GMX fork, so I had such a strong bias.
right, right, right. No, like,
But
yeah,
sooner. I just need to accept the fact that I missed. I missed. I missed. I am like my hit rate hasn't been that great lately. Bro, are they coming in on now?
I'm checking with
Are they
them right now.
replying?
Like yes, they're finally replying now, but we'll see. I mean, like if we have to reschedule, we'll just do our market chat on this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to
Let's
chat with them
see.
today because they're pumping hard. I was thinking that we can get some more info just for me to decide on whether we want to long this or not. When are they here, man?
No,
Wait,
no.
can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see Crypto Brave HQ.
Maybe talk about the future prospect of Aster. What do you think about Aster, actually?
I like to bet on Billionaire's ego.
Okay. Oh no. I think you're 100% right. Like in the sense of like I think there's a lot of things that people
This
might
guy's
not
not paying for YouTube Premium, bro. Like, am I not? I will pay it for you.
Thank you. I love you.
My God.
But yeah, what I'm saying is like I think there's a lot of things that CZ has up his sleeve, right? It's just not infinity money glitch that he has. It's like, imagine, okay, hear me out, right? If I tell you that for you to get on Binance perks, you must have trading volume on Aster of 200 billion. Now that Aster will pump like mad if you think about that.
Yeah. Like if he can tie the two somehow, it will be amazing. You know, okay, like I don't know if this is like interesting or not, but like I want to share with you like an example of some like billionaire equity play in Southeast Asia that actually is very similar to token pump. So like like without naming names, in the past year, there's so many of the similar tactics. You corner the float, right? So like you say, let's say, oh, you're circulating shares, let's say in Thailand or in Indonesia or in Malaysia.
Is it
and so on.
listed or private?
Listed. It's all listed companies, right? So it's like tokens, right? Let's say your circulating share is 25%, but actually you cornered the market. So the actual float is like less than 5%, right? And then they pump that shit through like either like repo. So they would sell their like tokens on the back end. So it's basically like they would OTC, get the cash, put it back in the, I was like, holy shit, this is crypto playbook. I was like, this is crypto playbook. And then you know what's their no, wait. But do you know what's their exit? It's also like similar,
money
but
off the stock.
No. But I think it's a bit more sophisticated. They want to get into MSCI, so all of the U.S. international index funds have to buy them. So like if you're like so I'm like wow, this is the exact same playbook.
Exact same. All financial games are the same. No, but some of them actually what they do is they just put on loans. On the
they put on loans, and then the difference is that like once they get the cash, they actually buy real assets, like they buy gold mines, they buy like refineries and so on. So like even if the PE ratio is like bullshit, but it's actually real assets in our industry. Even the assets are BS guys.
Exactly. No, I'm like that's the way forward. Man. That's the fucking way forward.
It's crazy. I was like, wow, like like they're printing money.
But how can we make money? But yeah, well, what about so is that your view on Aster then? Basically, you don't want to. You would you long? Are you holding any? Would you add?
I have. I'm not gonna add at this level, but I like
Good
I have
size or testing size? Good size or testing size?
In the middle. Yeah.
What deal? I was pussy this morning. Fuck me.
Yeah, I went in at 0.6.
Oh, dude, I was too pussy this morning, man. Fuck it, hell. But it's okay lah. It's okay lah. I thought it went to $2, right? Yeah, it went to $2 for a little bit.
Yep.
This looks like here, man. But bro, I did.
Let's go. Dude, freaking wait. I'll send you a tweet, yeah. I texted this guy. I was like, check your Telegram. I was like, looked at his reply to the tweet. I was like, wow, this guy is truly working for his bags, bro. Like, do you have like a super big bag or something? It's fine. No, this is not like a secret or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's not confidential. It's freaking it's our friend and fellow KOL working for his bags.
By the way, yeah, you can actually steal Aster, the token. It was 6% a few days ago when I was doing it. You can funding rate Arbit, actually.
Huh.
On various sex. It was 6% on first day. Thanks, market. But yeah, please stop telling people. Oh, wow,
Um,
AVAX so strong. AVAX so fucking strong. I love it.
let's see the charts.
Aster doesn't, Aster doesn't
Hey.
have anything.
Hey, the best perp exchange.
Oh my god, dear little man. No, that's the thing, right? You don't categorize it as a perk dex. You categorize it as a future roadmap for Binance, the decentralized extension of Binance. Okay, Binance might not have the best listing.
Oh,
yeah,
wait,
man.
was it so
MNT is strong. MNT is strong
Oh.
as fuck, man.
Yeah, like do you have
I
any
held
thesis
them
on
back.
like MNT? Like I kind of feel like it might be the next BNB. Now it's at 10B, right? I
100%.
guess now it's at 10B. Like I guess it's something you can size in, and even if it dumps 50%, you should be ready just to like double down. Yeah.
Yeah, so I bought quite a bit. Like I've been posting. I thought I was wrong actually. I've been bull posting a lot here. I bought like quite a bit, and then I just forgot about it, and I just sticked it, and for whatever fucking reason. The thing is, like, I actually like centralized coins a lot. Like the thing is, like, if the team is working, centralized coins are actually the highest revenue coin, no matter how much value goes to the coin or not. I've never sold any BNB before, by the way. The only BNB I've sold is basically shit that I lost with meme coins or other related bets. Like I never sell any BNB. So BNB is good. Like people are talking shit right now, right? Like the market is dying, etc. But BNB is still $1,000. 1018, bro. Strong as fuck. So strong.
Crazy. Yeah, it is honestly, it's one of the best. I think I read a stat somewhere, like if you just hold it in the past 4 years, like the APY with all of the airdrops and so on is pretty much like double like every year. Something like that. Yeah.
Just about 60 or 70, depending when you sell, basically.
Hey, I have an off-topic question for you. What would make you excited if there's a new stablecoin? Like, what kind of stablecoin would make you excited, given that like everybody and their mom is doing stablecoin? Just the highest yield. So if yield is very good, like 25%, like are you gonna trust it if it's like audited?
First, it can't be funding rate ARB because it's very hard to outcompete.
Yep.
Secondly, it's a
Completely
team.
Agree.
Secondly, it's a team. A third, the yield must be above 12%, in my opinion. Like 12.
Yep,
the thing is,
sense.
like 12 and 20 doesn't make a difference that much, but below 12, it's quite bad. And to be honest, like I think there's nothing that will make you excited about stablecoins anymore. It's more like, oh, you have launched for 6 months, your execution skill is pretty good, so now I'm bullish. It's more a bit like it's more like that, if that makes sense. It's like the stablecoin team has played every single trick in the book, right? They are very like, oh, investment from this, investment from that, a TVL pre-deposit, like whatever strategy has been run so many times. It's hard to like, that's just my 2 cents on it.
Cool. Yeah. No, because I'm like thinking like how should we look into all of the other pre-token stable chain? Yeah.
Bro, that's the thing about like Llama said it, right? Like I've stopped saying it's the next because it's just pure fucking rotation this year. It's like everything. Like to be honest, what do you think about Falcons? Falcon is launching their token, right? I think they're doing their fundraising for their token FF right now.
On BitClub, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Are you funding it, by the way?
No.
Did you farm it?
No. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, they like I know they were like doing some deals for that. Yeah.
What are some hot deals in the market recently, actually?
I don't think I can just disclose all of them, right? but it's
what's the good rate? What's the good rate and what's the sector?
It's still stablecoin for like TVL deals, and the good rate is like 25 to 40 is a good rate. There's like some high quality projects trying to do like 15, but I mean, I told them like no one would give you money at 15, especially if it's locked. Yeah.
Wait, but 25 to 40%, it's speculative based on the valuation in the future or locked in.
And based on a certain FDV, but the FDV is much more realistic, like 60 or like 75 or like so there's like room for you to do like 2x and so on. Yeah.
What do you think about AVEX, by the way?
I think it's interesting. I mean, like what's his name? Like Santi new L1 is with Avex, right? The inverse chain or something.
Yeah.
Inversion Capital. Yeah. I just don't know like what's their angle right now. I feel like they're very smart and very big team, and I know they have been doing like the tokenization forever, but that space is very, it's who can pay the most, right? Like I think it's like public secret that most likely, like just like how OP spent a lot of grant money to get like OP and like Polygon back then, right? Like Starbucks Polygon or something. Same with like Arbitrum Robinhood. Like I don't know for like these L1s, like if they want to get like BlackRock, I guess, you know, it's
Okay,
very hard for them.
my question to you is, as they have introduced a DAT, do you think the marginal buyer character has changed because of that?
As in that, do you think there will be more new money buying in because of DAT?
Yes, and assuming there's new money willing to take this, will the appetite or how the marketing change, right? Because like, let's say if you're AVEX, right? Right now you're DAT focus, and then let's say it has gone to fair price already. What's going to happen is that they realize they probably can't compete with the on-chain people to get them to buy AVEX. So their treasury calls is going to walk around talking to various like non-crypto focused family offices and stuff like that. And suddenly, for them to pitch them, they have to use a new angle, and that angle will be something that would be like, oh, it's just like Starbucks and fucking Polygon like 2 years ago. But back then it didn't have an impact, right? But right now it might have a different impact because the marginal buyers are different.
Yeah. I will take the other side. Like I'll be more bearish. I think even Solana is pushing it. I see so many appetite for Bitcoin DAT in specific regions, right? I think just to give a shout out, like what's their name? Like Sora Ventures has been known to be trying to do this, right? Like they like try to launch DAT in every Asian country, which I think is a very smart move. But outside of like Bitcoin itself, it's going to be very hard. Solana, right? A lot of people said it's going to go to 300 because there's going to be like 2.5 billion in DAT buying power. Kyle Samani has bought 1.5 B already, right? Like they have announced on their Twitter forge or something, right? That they have completed their 1.5 billion buy, and it's at 210. Right? It's I don't think it's that easy to pitch it to outside of crypto, especially if you're not even the big three. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, man. Like the thing is, like I can't put my balls into buying spot Solana right now because I think like a top might be coming in, and I'd rather hold other assets. Like and then if I were to do it, it's just a short term, right? And to be honest, I don't know how to price these like treasury calls future buying power in some sense, because technically they can buy anytime.
There's a macro fund manager that I'm friends with. He has been very bullish like gold and Bitcoin in the past couple of years, and so he's been printing, but he feels like he has sold like 75%, and he feels like we are more closer to the end than like a super cycle. Yeah, but in his thoughts, it's not going to be like Armageddon. It's not like back then, like let's say like Bitcoin hit 120, maybe fall back down to like 75, then we'll chill a bit, like from like 75 to like 90, right? And then we'll wait 2 years to get a pump again.
But what made him think this way actually?
So I'm trying not to.
I'm zero on macro actually. Let's talk
He's,
about the logic and everything.
Yeah, I'm nowhere near as an expert of his, but like it's mostly his takes on like the commodity cycle and like all of that, and like with like the U.S. tariff policy, blah blah. He just feels like there's so many like tension right now, and again, I might not be doing him justice, but he used to be very deep in like oil and like all of that. Now looking at like the trajectory of like all of that, he feels like the entire sector is a bit toppish, right? Like both like AI in the US and so on. Sure, there might be some room if you pick like individual stocks, like freaking Oracle, dude, that 80-year-old guy looks like he's 60. He's been doing like some crazy health maxing stuff. But like other than other than like some of those like stocks, I think it's very hard. So he's mostly been thinking like, yeah, it's like take the win now, especially if you're managing at scale, right? If you're managing like a 9-figure book, it's like harder, of course. Yeah.
Understood. Okay.
Yeah. Memes. Are you longing any like prediction markets coin and so on? Like
Yes,
I wonder
PQ. PQ. I've been shilling you
PQ?
for the past, bro. I've been shilling you since
Show me, share
fucking
screen,
5.
PQ.
I've been sharing this since like fucking 5 mil, bro.
Dude, how do you keep up with oh my god, okay, wait. Oh wait, holy shit. Is this the one that oh my god, this is the one that my other friend was shilling me. And I missed it too. God damn it. Okay, I'm an ape now. Okay, wait.
I think it's fine. I genuinely think it's fine.
Theo.
No, real, like buy my bag, bro. Buy my bag, bro. Like I genuinely think it's fine, to be honest. Like so they're launching their own prediction market soon. With some good shit coming on.
Okay.
I think it's worth a pun though.
Is there any good prediction markets like aggregator that you're using? I saw people tweeting like, "Hey, we need something like CoinGecko," because there's
why read my tweets, bro? Bro, you don't read my fucking tweets. That's the thing.
Bro, I do.
No, you don't. like I literally posted about that yesterday. See, my weekly new projects is here, and then there is like four different prediction market aggregators here. So like, suck it, dick, bro.
Okay, we should just make an episode about this. see, that's one video idea, bro. Just make a video. Stop making tweets.
But TOTR, I think aggregator doesn't make sense. Like so whoever would do arbitrage has already.
Sorry. Like I'm not even saying like aggregator product. I'm just saying like I want like a CoinGecko so I can see what's going on with prediction market every day. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm trying to bet more on prediction markets, but it's very hard. I actually started sport betting with my friend, like on double up, since we went to the SUE thing. I started sport betting on double up, and I'm currently down 30% on my sport book. It's so elegant when I say it, my sport book.
Your sport book, indeed. Let's see.
But, all right, and maybe we'll do a live next week when I'm in Singapore. If not, maybe the week after, bro.
All right. We will definitely do one in Singapore. Do you want to do some events? It's probably too like hectic.
I don't want to handle.
It's fine.
But in Hong Kong, we can host something next time in Hong Kong.
Okay. All right, bro.
Hola.
I will
Bye.
see you around. Cheers. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.